Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you why you cannot sue for a Wrongful Baker Act. Now, for those that have been following me for a while, you know I've talked about this quite a bit. We had a call today from a potential client who said, you never talk about why we cannot sue for this. There's nothing on your website about it. I didn't find anything on social media. And I said, well, maybe we just haven't put enough content out there about why you cannot sue for Wrongful Baker Act. And look, having had my own family member Baker acted and at this point represented close to about 500 other families, and having spoken to thousands of people who have been Baker acted, albeit wrongfully, I have nothing but sympathy and empathy for you. I'm really sorry this happened to you. But the statute is very, very specific. And it says that as a general rule, if you have been Baker acted and your rights, your statutory rights have been violated, as a general rule, you cannot sue for this. You're not getting any money. And it's not because I don't want to do it. Believe me, I get 3 or 4 calls every single day from people who have been wrongfully Baker acted. I have all the financial incentive in the world to want to be able to take these cases. But the statute is very clear. It basically says that because the facility is an agent of the state's mental health system, they are basically the state, they're immune. You cannot sue them for this. Now, God forbid you have been physically injured, and as an example, I had a young lady that was raped in a facility, or I had another guy that was physically assaulted and had his nose broken. The facility has a duty to keep you safe, so that you can sue for. But if you have been held longer than 72 hours, you were coerced to sign a voluntary admission agreement, you lost your job as a result of this, your neighbor made a false claim and told the police something that wasn't true, or the police came down and they shouldn't have Baker acted you. As a general rule, unfortunately, you cannot sue for this stuff. I'm not telling you it's right. I'm not telling you that what happened to you was okay. I'm just telling you what the law says. And the law says that as a general rule, you cannot sue for this stuff. So I hope this clears things up for folks that are unfortunately dealing with the trauma of having, frankly, just been abused. I'm sorry this happened to you, but if you're looking for me to get your money, it's not happening. It simply isn't. I wish it was otherwise. And if you don't like that, I would encourage you to call your local state representative, state senator, and say, hey, listen, this isn't right. I mean, the legislature just changed the Baker Act on July the 1st. And truthfully, and I was interviewed about this on local CBS. I told them, I said, if they'd have called me, I'd have spent 5 minutes on the phone with them and told them how to fix this thing. They completely missed the mark with this. But as it happens, the law is the law. I got to operate within the legal framework. I can't help you. I wish I could. I'm sorry. But I hope that is as clear as it can be. And I appreciate you tuning in, and just take care. And hopefully you like the content, I'd love a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe to the channel, because I'm giving away as much as I possibly can for free, and I love doing it for you guys so you get the information, then you can get the notifications as to when the next video comes. So with that said, thank you for tuning in, and take care. Bye-bye.